Good life, easy, baby. We're back.
Again.
Good life, easy.
Rahul,
What's up, bro?
what's up, bruh?
What's going on?
Lots is going on.
What is the topic for today?
The topic for today is obviously going to be Metaverse.
Metaverse.
Facebook has changed its name from, I think, the parent company name, right?
Yes.
They've changed the parent company name from Facebook to Meta.
Meta. It's like how Google changed it to Alphabet.
Exactly. Oh, yeah. But that was not trending.
Yeah.
That was not trending
Yeah.
news.
Still, people I don't think are aware that Alphabet
gives
is
a
the parent
shit.
company.
Nobody gives a shit. You know?
Yeah,
Because
this
you're using
this-
Google as a product.
this PR release of Meta was crazy.
Yeah.
I think everybody knows about it.
More than the concept of changing the name, it's the introduction of the metaverse.
Correct.
Right? That's why Meta is going to
Correct.
become popular.
Correct.
Nobody cares about Alphabet. A lot of people don't even know.
Yeah.
That Google's parent
lot of
company name
people
is
don't.
Alphabet.
Yes, absolutely.
So yeah, Facebook has changed its name to Meta. They're introducing the metaverse,
Yeah.
which is the next generation of the internet,
Correct. 3.0, right?
3.0, Web 3.0. And what's your take on it?
I mean, with Metaverse, firstly, it was bound to happen because just say, for example, I think Facebook was slacking a little bit compared to all the other tech giants. Like you'll always see Apple in the news, you'll always see Tesla in the news, Microsoft, so on and so forth. So, and Facebook was in the news for all the wrong reasons.
All the
You know,
wrong
for all the
reasons.
scandals and for all the
Only scandals.
yeah, and always battling with all the regulation bodies, you know, for how they're using their data, and it's not safe for their users, so on and so forth.
So
I think
Facebook had the reach, but they didn't have any innovations in the recent years.
yes, it was just going on, and like we always
Nawe
know-
mein kuch nahi tha.
yes, and now just think about it. Every social media platform ages. You know, say MySpace. Where's MySpace now? Facebook took over. Even Facebook's time will come, right? Now everyone is bouncing from Facebook to TikTok. So Mark Zuckerberg had to think, what do I do next? What do I do next? That I want to put the ball in my court now. You know, now it's my time.
Fight
what
for
am I going
relevance?
to? Well, yes. What am I going to introduce that's going to take me to the number one Forbes list?
Are social media apps like nightclubs? Like for example, restaurants, they have a strong life, right? A successful restaurant can have a strong life of 10, 20, 25, 30 years. Whereas a very popping nightclub, 99% has a life of 5 years.
Bro, I think on the contrary, it's the opposite.
Is the opposite?
It's the opposite.
What?
Because there are so many restaurants, they just disappear overnight.
No, but I'm saying a good restaurant, a successful restaurant has a long life.
That's a good point, but even a good nightclub can have a long life.
No, a very successful popping nightclub has a life of 5 years. Then it needs renovation, it needs a new concept, a new theme, a new gimmick.
Not
Notice
all.
that.
I think not all.
Very few nightclubs
not
last
all.
Just think about it.
Yeah? You
All
think
are
so?
throughout the world.
You think so?
Yeah, nightclubs have a short life.
But then on the contrary, like restaurants like McDonald's and fast food chains.
Not even
They
fast food
remain
chains.
the
I'm saying
same.
like think about your locals, Santosh
Correct.
Sagars,
Yeah.
and those kinds. You know, the Sun, those type of.
Good point.
You know,
good
Bademiya.
observation.
Yeah.
Good observation. Very foodie observation. Control your eating, fam.
Hey.
So basically, what I'm saying is that I think Facebook is also going to dissolve eventually. What's going to happen after Facebook is what.
वो क्या ना dissolve?
Yeah, dissolve as in
Okay.
social media platform तो चालू है ना.
You're saying the Facebook.
Yes, the Facebook. He has to think beyond that also.
True.
So now he's gotten into like the metaverse, which is a virtual world.
Virtual
where you
world.
can learn, play, connect, earn, interact, do whatever the fuck you do in your real life. You can do it in the virtual world now. It's a way of, basically integrating physical objects into a virtual world.
Correct.
Right? It's where virtual world and your physical world meet together.
Yeah, AR and VR.
Yes, AR and VR meet together. So that's I think it was bound to happen. But one thing that I don't understand is that we've been living it. What is the metaverse is nothing new.
No,
for people that think metaverse is new, I've never played Fortnite.
You're talking about Fortnite, bro. I'm just saying that one episode at a time.
Yeah.
Black Mirror ka sub is coming true, bro. All
But
the
I'm saying,
predictions are coming true.
I'm saying, fuck Black Mirror. Black Mirror they're saying that this is a Black Mirror episode. People have not played Fortnite. What is Fortnite?
Yeah.
Tell me what is Fortnite.
I've never played.
You know what people do after work, after school? What do? They're not going to their damn playground and playing cricket, football. They're logging on to Fortnite and interacting with people.
This is a new age.
Yeah. What have you heard about this Fortnite concert that Marshmello did? Travis Scott did. How many viewers, bro?
How many views?
10 million.
12 million.
22 million for
Yeah.
Travis Scott.
Yeah.
What are you saying? Fortnite has its own currency.
Yeah.
Vcoins.
Vcoins.
You know, these young coders are now not taking money through cash. They're taking Vcoin payments, bro.
Payment, yeah.
350 million users. Okay, 3 billion hours a day.
Fortnite has 350 million.
350 million users. You're telling me that's not the fucking metaverse, bro? What? Come on.
So you know what is metaverse? Metaverse is the same thing.
Yeah.
Without the live action game. Metaverse is basically they are saying that it's GTA without the missions. It's like the Sims. You know that you can chill.
Yes.
You know. You can interact with friends. I think the Facebook's main company goal is connecting people.
Connect, like always.
Connecting people. And
like
our
always.
number one aim is connecting people.
But how are you connecting people through metaverse? Metaverse is not connecting people. Connecting people is when we are connecting right now. mate.
Exactly, bro.
You know?
Exactly.
Connecting is has
It's when you say cheers, you know,
bro.
like you hear the sound.
Connecting is basically when you're in like a physical atmosphere or physical
Yeah.
environment with someone.
The only time this connecting people concept makes sense is, for example, your school friend who
Correct.
must be living in
Correct,
America
correct,
or
correct. Yes,
Europe or something.
yes,
You know, out of the country, out of the state.
Yes.
You've not been in touch for 10 years. Yes. It's
That's
connecting.
true, yes.
You're getting to know them
yeah, connecting
after 10, 15 years. You know, they have a family or something.
Correct.
So
Correct.
that is the plus one. But
That I didn't understand.
abhi
a little
wo
bit.
ho gaya, bro.
That I didn't understand a little bit. Connecting people are always a little odd.
Yeah, they can't
Yeah.
keep using that same
Connecting
thing, bro.
people, connecting Facebook, connecting
Facebook
lives.
connected people.
Yeah,
Abhi ho gaya
100%,
na?
100%, 100%. So that's what I think of metaverse. What do you think of the metaverse?
Metaverse, yeah, this only, bro. It's I don't care for it. I'm not too eager or excited for it. But yeah, I agree with you that we saw it coming. We saw it coming because of all the warning signs in pop culture.
Correct.
Right? Things like Fortnite, the Black Mirror, and
Absolutely.
all that. So we pretty much knew that people are going to increase their screen time.
Absolutely.
Right?
Absolutely.
People, when the whole world is talking about reducing screen time, getting off Instagram, social media, discussing mental health and how social media affects mental health, the conversation from that, okay, we have to now use less of the screen, control it, only use it for work. Okay. On the opposite side, Facebook, I mean, Mark Zuckerberg is betting on the fact that you're going to increase your screen time. You're going to increase your time on the internet.
Your life depends on the screen.
Yeah.
But is it really a screen now?
As in internet.
In like a way of saying that
Internet.
VR, AR, whatever the fuck
Yeah.
that is, I still get confused. But yeah, in a way that now it's basically it's going to be unavoidable.
It's going to be...
You have to put on your Oculus glasses.
yeah.
And you have to go to work wearing your Oculus glasses.
So you know what Mark
Everything
Zuckerberg
is going to
said?
happen through those VR, AR headsets.
He owns Oculus also, right?
Of course.
So he's going to subsidize it.
Of course, yeah. He's going to make it cheap so everybody can buy it and use it. You know, have spare ones. So just think about it, bro. Just think about it. There's this one thing that I read on the internet, bro. If the product is free, you are the product.
Of course.
You know, so that's the fucking thing. Now, what is Facebook doing?
Of
What is
course.
Instagram doing?
Of
They have to
course.
subsidize the Oculus
Yeah.
glasses. And how the fuck will people
Who'll
use
come?
it? Who'll be using the metaverse
Right.
features?
So when it comes to Facebook, Instagram, it's like you already have a cell phone.
Correct.
So even your parents and grandparents already have a cell phone. So if you want to FaceTime with them or you want to make them use Facebook, it's all possible because the accessibility is in the hand. But when it comes to metaverse, you need hardware.
Absolutely.
You
Hardware,
need
software.
you need that effort.
Yes.
Charging, putting it on,
Yes.
going on. So it's a young man's game, I feel, when
Absolutely.
it comes to the metaverse.
Absolutely.
I don't
But
think
like Facebook and Instagram, everyone adapts because
That's
it
what's gonna
becomes a very, very, very core part of your life. You
Yeah.
can't do without it.
exactly.
You know, everything happens through our phone right now.
Yeah.
But the metaverse is saying that it's going to change the internet forever.
No, it's saying that you're going to take your being
Yes.
into a virtual world.
virtual world. So you'll have your own avatar,
Yeah.
and you can dress the way you want.
And
you
just
can,
and just think about our thought process and just the concept of embracing your imperfection. On the metaverse, I'm not going to have a bad hairline. You are those kind.
course,
I'm not
of
going to
course.
have pimples.
Of course,
I'm not
of
going to
course,
be
of
a
course.
chubby
Yes,
guy.
yes, yes.
You know,
You customize yourself how you want it to be.
I'm going to be perfect.
Yes, bro.
every avatar is
Exactly,
going to be perfect.
exactly,
Either I'm going to
exactly.
be a perfect human or I'm going to be a fucking robot or some alien.
That's a good thought. Huh? That's a great
You know why?
thought.
Insecurities.
Insecurities. Fuck
Who
that.
has insecurities online, bro?
Everyone.
And you don't want to deal with them,
Absolutely.
right? So you're not going to
Absolutely.
put in no
No.
imperfections.
That's a little fuck up. You know, like that does that mean that the joy of being a human being will cease to exist? You know, so that we'll tackle with
Human
the pros.
interactions.
We'll tackle that in the pros and the cons
Yeah.
of metaverse.
Bro, the human interactions, just think about it. Firstly, though, obviously, we are looking at it from the worst case scenario. We
Yes.
are looking at,
Yes.
we are right now discussing like we are going to be on it all the time.
Correct. But you know what, bro?
But we are on Instagram 2-3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours a day.
I
bro.
still feel that this was bound to happen. Say, for example, even Facebook. Say when Mark Zuckerberg was also... He was told that, okay, this was not your idea, you stole the idea.
Yeah.
Even if he didn't fucking go ahead with Facebook, Facebook would still exist. Somebody else would have just gone and created Facebook. Maybe it wouldn't have been as harmful as Facebook is right now. The name would have changed.
Or maybe
whatever.
more.
It's a timeline, bro.
Or maybe
firstly.
more harmful.
Yeah, it's a timeline which we have to accept.
Yeah, of course.
Right. So Facebook was bound to happen. Instagram was bound to happen. MySpace was bound to happen. And now the
Absolutely.
metaverse is bound to happen.
Bound
This
to
is
happen.
the human being timeline of evolution.
Absolutely,
You
bro.
know?
I was seeing 1-2 videos on basically. I understood what is metaverse without seeing any videos and all of that, because you just understood from the video that, as in you from the concept that it's going to be just a virtual world,
Yes.
right? What was my point?
Get it back. It was the timeline.
Timeline. So discussing about Web 3.0. This one company was explaining the whole concept of what is Web 1.0, 2.0, 3.0.
Yes.
So Web 1.0 is only text.
Yes.
Is when the internet
Yes.
came into life.
Yes.
And everything was just text.
It's text and it's hyperlinked.
Hyperlinked.
So you click on the hyperlink,
Yeah.
it opens a web page with only text.
So the communication was text-based.
Text-based, yes.
Web 2.0 is something that we are currently in.
Correct.
Images,
Correct.
videos,
And search-based.
search-based.
Search-based,
Yeah.
yes.
And Web 3.0 is what they're saying is going to be a mix of virtual reality, augmented reality,
Absolutely.
matched with blockchain.
Yes.
So the exciting part, what this person was explaining was that the exciting part about Web 3.0 and the whole concept of metaverse is that you're going to be able to buy things on the internet in the sense of right now, you can only buy a domain name on the internet, which makes sense. Yeah, you can only buy a domain name which is on the internet and you can buy it,
Correct.
right, with money and
Yes,
stays on the
yes,
internet.
yes,
You can't buy anything which is on the internet and stays there permanent. So in this metaverse, obviously you can buy everything, multiple things, because of the whole new NFT and blockchain and crypto and all of that. But also, if you're an artist,
Correct.
you can release a song. You don't need Spotify. You don't need Apple. You can release a song. I can buy the song, like how you buy an NFT. Okay, and in that, you can sell it as a contract. Where if I future sell the song, you get 80% of the royalty and I get just 20%.
Oh, nice.
So how much if I sell it at 80% still
That
goes
keeps
to
going
you.
back. Okay, fair enough.
So this new world is going to now begin.
Fair enough. Yes. Also, another very interesting fact of the metaverse is that virtual land, right? A lot of metaverse developers are now
Becho.
selling virtual land, and the good thing about the virtual land is that, say, if you buy it or I buy it, right, I can build whatever I want on it. It's up to my coding capabilities. Right. So, say for example, we've heard that Nike has bought land in metaverse.
Oh, land.
Yeah, land. They are buying, like, you buy metaverse. Think of it as planet Earth. Planet Earth also has only X amount of land. So you have to get your land and you have to pay
Infinity,
for it.
yeah.
So then you can build your store, or you can build like a fucking theater. You can build like a
Nike amusement
comedy
park.
setup or
Yeah.
whatever the fuck you want. And then what happens is that, say for example, I'm in the metaverse and you have a restaurant. You have some offering for me. So I will pay you to enter your land.
Correct.
Right? And like land, bro, whether it's virtual or physical, the rates always go up.
Yeah.
Right? So if you buy land right now, you don't know what the price will be in a few years
Yeah.
on the metaverse.
Yeah. And so Metaverse is obviously not going to be just Facebook. Even Microsoft is releasing a metaverse.
Everyone's doing it.
Everyone's doing it. I think Facebook is just because they've changed the name. They realized that we have to be the most relevant.
No, their timing was perfect. Their timing was
but
perfect.
Microsoft also did it at the same time. But I didn't even know until today when I was saying, okay, Metaverse ka kya? What is the scene?
Correct,
What's going down?
But I think
Microsoft has also launched.
I think Fortnite was doing this way back and they've not been able to capitalize on it.
So the CEO of Epic Games, the owner of Fortnite, okay, he came out and he said that Metaverse is bound to happen, but what the world needs is a decentralized metaverse like cryptocurrency. Open source. We don't need another Facebook where you're telling me that privacy is very important to us and everything is going to be taken care of.
You're getting fucked.
Yeah. So he's working on an open source metaverse.
Now that will work.
And he just, I think, got $1 billion funding.
He's easy, easy, man. Fortnite, 350 million users, you just shift that to the metaverse, you're fucking already making money.
And he has 1-2 more games which are extremely popular, bro. Just not Fortnite.
Epic Games is big, but Fortnite is the biggest right now.
So, bro. While the whole world is talking about you reducing your time on the screen, you reducing your time on the social media apps, trying to get out there more, take care of your health. Mark Zuckerberg is like, you want to bet people are going to stay on the screen. You want to bet people are not going to get off the internet.
Correct.
You want to bet work from home is not going to stop.
There's no way. There's no way around it. You know, but that being said, it's not going to happen overnight. It's going to take like 10-15 years is what people need to realize. I think it was just that Mark Zuckerberg was quick enough and smart enough to make that announcement and to make that PR release that, see, I know this is already happening, but I'm going to be the leader of it.
It's like announcing the future.
Yes.
These guys, these cultural leaders, they practically announce the future.
Absolutely.
Right? Elon says that I'm going to do my best to take everybody to Mars.
Correct.
So then our thinking goes there. Okay. Oh, the solution is this. Then we also think on those lines.
Yes. And like what did Steve Jobs do? He took over the smartphone industry. He took over the electronics industry. He was the leader. You know, he was the damn leader.
Thought leader.
Yes.
Cultural leader.
Jeff Bezos, e-commerce.
Yeah.
He said, I will be the leader of e-commerce industry. So this guy has come out and said that, okay, now I'm going to be the leader of the virtual world. Even though many companies are doing it, it's him who came out first and said it.
So how do you think other apps are going to keep up, bro? Like, for example, Facebook is now Meta and Metaverse is Facebook.
Correct.
When you open Instagram, it says powered by Meta.
Yes.
Today I opened it, it said powered by Meta. Okay. So forget Instagram because it's owned by Facebook. But other like Twitter, big social media apps like YouTube, what are these guys going to do? What's your prediction?
Bro, I think it's the Metaverse is, like they said, it's the end of 2.0.
It's the end
Web
of
2.0. Apps belong in Web 2.0. You know what I'm saying? Just think about it. Bro, why will I use Instagram? What pictures am I going to take if I'm in my virtual world?
Oh yeah, selfies, you know? No,
what will I... Why do I need Snapchat?
Okay.
Why do I need Snapchat? What am I going to Snapchat? You're understanding? So according to me, I look at Metaverse as a very different ball game compared to apps, bro. There's no connection. That's why I think Metaverse has come about. In a way.
Do you think of Metaverse as a source of entertainment like a game? Or do you look at it as a way of communicating, as a way of staying in touch with the world, pop culture, and for communication?
Bro, I look at Metaverse as a new way of living, bro.
Okay.
It's way deeper than that. It's way beyond that, bro. The way we live is going to change. You know, it's just think about it, bro. They've gone ahead and said that the way the glasses and all are set up, it's basically so comfortable because it's so close to your eye that you feel that you're actually seeing it one-on-one. It's like not like one of these VR headsets where you put on your phone.
Yeah, it's different.
Basically, like it can sense all your movements.
Yeah.
So it's exactly like the movements you're making right now is exactly what your avatar is going to make in the virtual world. So say for example, I don't need to go to office anymore. You know, I'm just going to have my own office set up.
Work from home is now obviously going to become work from virtual home.
Yes, bro.
Or work from virtual office.
Correct.
But Mark Zuckerberg is really banking on the concept of everyone's going to work from home. And he's like, dude, Metaverse is going to be big for the whole work from home concept.
And see, human beings have already adapted to working from home. Zoom and all have taken off. Zoom,
the world has adapted.
Yeah. The world has adapted to working from home. This is just going to make it way more convenient. You know? It's going to be like, so that's why I'm saying it's not as a source of entertainment or it's not as a source of just finding out news and pop culture. It is going to change the way human beings live. You know, For the good or the bad, it's unavoidable.
So they say that in the metaverse, you know, you can go on the streets of say New York or somewhere and play chess with those.
Yeah. Tell me one thing now, bro.
Yeah.
Tell me one thing. Human beings always wanted to do what?
Time travel.
To teleport.
Teleport.
Yeah, you want to live with the fucking dinosaurs, fam?
Sapna.
You want to live in the Game of Thrones era? Put on your headset. Put on your Oculus.
All right.
You know? The time travel fucking machine doesn't exist anymore.
Oh, like the Westworld.
Yeah, bro. You can go wherever the fuck you want. You know what I'm saying? You want to learn history. You learn history being in that era. BC, AD, whatever the fuck that is. You're in that bitch. You know what I'm saying, bro? Think about that.
But that also made up shit, na, bro. It's not like you're going back in time.
Yeah, but come on, bro. Yeah, it's made up only. It's made up, but in a way that you can experience it.
You can
experience it. Bro, tell me one thing. Don't you think the metaverse is good for the environment? Think about it.
See, bro, till the time the humans go out less and sit at home more.
Think about it.
So
we saw it in the lockdown. Now, metaverse, say for example, you don't have to go to office. Why do you need a car?
Car,
You know?
pollution. You
Wo
know,
bhi soch. I think that was the only one pro that I found from the metaverse. Is that it's going to be very good for the environment.
no, the lot of it's going to have obviously it's going to have a lot of positives.
Yes,
okay, we are just saying the negatives because now we are on this trip that bro, the social media is now going overboard. So bhai control karo, and these guys are getting more and more powerful. But one thing is for sure, I agree with this Epic Games guy that this monopoly should not be there. Because that's why I asked you, how are these other apps going to keep up? Are they everyone going to have a metaverse? Is it going to be decentralized and all apps come together and say that you have your thing, you have your thing, you have your thing? Because now you said Nike bought land. All that land ka money goes to Facebook, na?
Of course. Bro, now I'll tell you one more thing. Even if you log into the Oculus right now, you have to log in with your Facebook ID.
Obviously.
Okay, now what the fuck? Facebook is tracking everything that you know. You know? Now they are also inventing something known as the EMG, electromyograph. So one thing you have to understand, in metaverse, keyboards will cease to exist. Okay? Mouse will cease to exist. Your mobile phone will cease to exist. Okay? This is 2.0, bro. In 3.0, it's basically...
2.0, bro.
It's 2.0.
The current is 2.0. This is already the future is here.
It's here. You know? 3.0 what? Voice assistant.
Yeah.
You know, you don't need a keyboard to type things out. You talk. You know, you don't need screen time because you're wearing your damn fucking your VR headset. You're experiencing things.
Yeah. And also Facebook has made this one hardware I saw.
EMG,
yeah. So it's like a watch.
Yeah.
And you can just do this. You can. Yeah. And eventually you're going to think about
exactly. That's the next big thing. It's called EMG, electromyograph. What it does is basically you wear that thing. It detects your brain signals. So if I want to text you, I just have to think. You know what I'm saying? Devang, if I want to insult someone, I just have to think. You know?
So then like
it's going to type it out for me.
The whole concept of like privacy will go out of the dictionary.
But bro, now think about it, bro. If EMG, if you're connected to the EMG, okay, your electromyograph, Facebook knows what you're thinking.
Yo, Facebook is going to know what your avatar, what tattoo your avatar is going to get. If you get some Nazi symbol and all, you get kicked out.
Bro, imagine right now Facebook knows what we are searching.
Yeah, obviously.
But now with this device, if it knows your brain, if it knows what your brain is thinking, it's over, bro.
Yeah.
End of humanity. Think about it, bro.
But as in, like, what are you saying? It's not going to happen. Like, that's
of
what you're
course,
saying.
it's a timeline.
It's a timeline,
It's a
bro.
timeline stamp.
It's a timeline.
You know.
The world thinks the aliens are gonna come and get us. No, we are gonna go into a virtual world. We're not gonna go out in a universe in another planet.
Bro, with the way we
are going to create our own planet.
Yo,
you know,
with the way we are gonna go and fuck up some aliens.
Yeah,
now, bro. You know, I think.
Dude, are we avatars of aliens?
Think about that.
Oh,
think about that. I think the way we are advancing, we'll go fuck up a few aliens, bro. What are you talking about, bro? Aliens better be scared now.
Hard.
You know?
But it's going to be very difficult, bro. Like, how are the apps going to come together? I don't understand. The synergy. Right now, the competition is very balanced.
Correct.
Metaverse is going to create a solid imbalance in the competition.
Correct. Because a lot of things will not exist only. What's the point of having
No, and as you said, you need Facebook to log in.
Yeah, you need Facebook to log in. How? That's going to be one way of logging in. Meta now.
Yeah.
You need Meta to log in.
And also, you know, you're not going to use two metaverses.
No.
Because you stopped using Snapchat a while back. You only use Instagram.
Correct.
You know, so you're only going to use one metaverse.
Correct.
As in, we are going to use only one metaverse.
Yes. And I think Mark Zuckerberg is also smart. He also is like, okay, how do I just destroy social media once and for all?
Exactly.
I want to destroy social media, you know?
ये पुरानी बात है, अभी कुछ नया बताओ भाई. चेंज करते, कल्चर चेंज करते, थॉट प्रोसेस चेंज करते, ब्रो.
Are you imagining Twitter की गांड लग गई है. Twitter is still stuck on tweeting, bro. On typing.
Typing.
You
bro.
understand?
That also they have limits.
He's still stuck to his idea, which he's originally thought of, and he's not innovated.
Yeah.
Huh?
Twitter's has become a source of news, I think.
Yeah,
now,
bro. Twitter fingers, na, they call it.
Yeah.
Just think about it. It's all about typing. Twitter will go down first. I think Twitter will go down first. What do you think?
But people love Twitter.
People love Twitter. Yeah.
love
Until
Twitter.
something better comes.
Until something better comes.
You know?
Until something better comes.
So, Twitter, Snapchat.
Yeah. There's no loyalty.
Even
in
Apple is launching a metaverse of sorts.
all
a
of these
virtual
guys are
world.
going to launch,
Yeah.
bro. All of these guys are going to launch. And that's why I'm thinking that is it going to be recreational or is it going to be a little social media type of communication and staying connected? You know? Or is it going to be like a game where I'm coming and meeting you and, you know, like...
I think it's deeper than that, bro. It's how you want to use the
You want to use
metaverse,
it.
bro.
And also they said that they are working extremely hard to make sure that they get the hand gestures right, how you hold something, how you hold the pen, write the pen, take
Correct.
one from
Correct.
one hand to the other hand, facial. So they want to make it as real as possible. You know,
They want to make it so real that I can see your one single skin pore.
Yeah.
How many hair you have on your head.
Exactly.
Exact amount will be in your avatar. So that's crazy.
Because I also believe that if it's very animated, it's not going to work.
No.
If you tell me that a big meeting of State Bank of India is going to happen with all the board of directors in the metaverse, you know,
How do you expect that?
and
Like
they're
fucking
just going to wear those
cartoons,
cartoon suits and going to discuss like, "Arey, Rahul, your performance last quarter was not as good, you
You're
know.
fucked.
I'm sorry, sir."
I'm sorry, sir.
And you're having a meta coffee.
Fucking cartoon, bro. You're gonna fucking take that shit seriously, bro.
Exactly.
Mad. But yeah, eventually,
And also in the marketing, na bro, what Mark said, na bro, that and you can do all this in the comfort of your pajamas. And I'm like, bro, I'm not even a big fan of pajamas. I
Yeah,
like
fair
to
enough,
fucking
fair
wear
enough.
good clothes, bro.
Fair enough.
I like to wear fucking,
Yeah.
you know, I like to get
Yeah,
out and
yeah.
be, you know,
Of
proper.
course, of course, bro. That's the beauty of human beings.
Exactly. What?
Bro, so just think about it. In a way, your senses are a thing of the past.
No, मैं तो सोच रहा हूँ जिम्स विम्स का क्या होएगा? The whole concept of
Correct,
building muscles
correct,
and all.
correct.
वो गया, bro.
I'm saying concept of building muscle, going to the gym, eating healthy,
Looking good.
socializing, networking, one-to-one, introvert versus extrovert. You know what?
Challenges, comfort
What's
zone.
that? Yes, there.
Oh my god.
Think.
Bro, this is like full comfort zone living, na?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm
Yeah.
going to make an avatar which is exactly the idealistic approach,
Absolutely.
right? क्या होने वाला है? So, Fair and Lovely and all became successful. Why? Because people thought that, oh, being fair is good.
Correct.
You know?
Correct.
So if I'm a dark guy, my avatar will be fair because I
Fair.
assume.
Yes.
See, there's a learning.
Yes.
Right? There's a learning
Yes.
where you learn. Okay, no, bro.
Yes.
Even if I'm balding, it's fine. Fuck it.
Fuck
Even if
that.
I'm dark, fuck it.
Fuck
This
it.
is me, bro.
Yeah.
You know? Take
So are
it
you
or leave
saying
it.
that the better looking your avatar, the uglier you are in real life?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
The
you
more
put-
insecure you are.
Yeah, because see, if you're more insecure, you'll put in that much time also on the avatar, na?
Correct. And if you don't give a fuck, you don't give a fuck.
Yeah.
Fair enough, bro. Fair enough.
So it's
So a lot of industries will fucking die
bro, you know
out,
what Joe
huh, bro?
Rogan Joe Rogan said this one very good line, bro.
Hmm.
I want to say it properly. That because he was talking about how we are in easy times right now, you know.
Correct.
So
Correct.
So the it goes like hard times make hard people make easy times.
Oh wow.
Easy times make
Pussies.
wait. Easy times make easy people,
Huh.
and easy people make hard times.
Okay, now say it again.
Okay, so I'll say it now. Retake. Take
Yes,
2.
yes.
Okay. Hard times
Huh.
make hard people.
Okay.
Hard people make easy time. Easy time make easy people. Easy people make hard times.
Oh my god. Hard. Facts.
Makes sense.
Big facts.
Big facts.
And this is all about the metaverse.
This,
It's a cycle.
bro,
It's a cycle.
I'll tell you something. I was not the same person I am today as I was when I was like a young kid, bro. I worked on myself.
Of course.
You know,
of
and
course,
how did
of
I
course.
work on myself? By coming out of the comfort zone, by understanding that, you know, if I want to do certain things, I have to
Yes.
I have to up my game.
Yes.
You know?
Yes.
I have to
Yeah,
be
you
better.
learn-
I have to get out of my
yeah.
comfort zone. I have to not be scared.
Yeah.
You know?
That's how human beings operate. Everyone is not comfortable
Yeah,
with
like
everything. You work on
naturally,
it.
bro. Naturally, like today, if I meet somebody, nobody can tell that I was an introvert. But naturally, when growing up, extreme introvert. Like if I would go out with my parents, with their friends or something, I would not be able to speak a word. As in, I was like 6, 7. You know.
Fair
But some kids speak and they,
Yeah,
you
yeah,
know,
yeah.
bro. I would be the silent guy on the side.
Oh wow.
I would not want to go.
Okay.
You know.
Okay. So you worked on yourself.
You worked on it. Why?
Of course.
Because I saw that it's
Stepping
the right
out
thing
of
to do.
your,
Stepping out of the comfort zone. You and also you learn from people you meet, right? You get inspired from your friends.
Correct.
So all that
But
is
I
not
think
going to happen.
I think we are in the age of an introvert. Let's also get this.
Bro, of course.
Let's also please remember that Mark Zuckerberg is an introvert.
Yeah.
Look at him.
Bro.
He's a nerd.
100%.
He never comes on camera. He's never giving interviews.
Bro.
He's the guy who's behind the scenes. So he is the introvert.
So basically what happened was, bro, you're absolutely right. We are in the age of the introverts. Why? Because in the 90s, okay, the bad boys bullied these nerds, okay,
They
so
bajawed
hard,
them.
so hard that these nerds were like, bro, I'm going to ruin the next generation now. The next generation is going to think on the lines that the track
Absolutely,
I put it to, you know.
Absolutely.
So what is going to happen now? Now people like Mark Zuckerberg and all, what are they doing culturally, bro?
Correct.
Changing it.
Correct. But they're changing it, in a way where the introverts are winning. But I also feel that
Introverts are
will-
winning, bro. We are in the generation of
Yeah,
introverts.
but,
Today, just think about it. Sit in the house at your own comfort. No social anxiety. No going out and being uncomfortable. No awkward silences or no awkward greetings. No breaking the ice. Bro, all of these are social
Yes,
cues
yes,
and
yes,
social understanding that
Absolutely.
you learn, bro.
So indirectly, it's like the human being. Just think about it. If you're talking about just introvert and extrovert, where it's just your human mind functioning and trying to battle things, bro, your senses are of no use. What is touch? You're not going to be able to touch things. You're not going to be able to properly see things. You're not going to be able to sense things.
And the fact of the matter that we all know is that if you don't work on these things, they don't improve.
Correct.
You don't work on your muscles, they don't grow. You don't work on your mind, it doesn't get stronger.
Correct.
These are all facts.
Correct.
These are all facts. So if I'm in the comfort of my house and my avatar has a six-pack, okay, while I'm on the metaverse, I can be having ice cream and who gives a fuck, bro? Let my pimples come out.
Correct. But fuck that, bro. See, bro, human beings want only two things: money and sex. Until and unless Mark Zuckerberg doesn't figure out a way to fuck on the metaverse, it's a fucking fail, okay? So remember that. Yeah? Money will be made, bro. You can sell your virtual sneakers and all on Nike,
Bro.
and do all this. But what do human beings really want?
Sex.
They want sex, brother. So let's venture into what is it going to hold for the porn industry?
Porno.
Porn industry has always thrives and adapts
See,
to
firstly,
anything and everything.
We have discussed this in the past also that the king of the internet is porn. Right? Fortnite and all these games, they can sell skins
Yeah,
and
they can
guns,
come and go.
A little bit, thoda itna ye becha, utna wo becha, members aaye, ye hua, wo hua.
Absolutely.
But porno has done it, evolved and stayed consistent
True.
since the beginning of the internet.
Absolutely.
Since the beginning of the internet. They said that the virtual reality and the whole
They started
concept.
that shit.
Yeah.
They started the
They
fucking
started that
VR
shit, bro.
headsets.
Yeah.
They started that fucking 3D
And that
porno.
actually makes sense.
Yeah.
Like, honestly, if you tell me that the concept of metaverse, I'm like, I'm not too keen on going on the metaverse and doing what I'm doing here, doing out there, sitting on a
Absolutely.
table and making notes and having 3 screens and all of that.
Fuck that.
Yeah.
Fuck that.
I don't give a fuck about that. But the porn one made sense that, okay, it's a different experience.
It's point of view, right?
It's point of view,
it's
yeah.
the POV that counts.
Yeah.
Because that's how you wear the headsets, you get to feel.
It's a totally different experience.
Yes. It's a whole different experience from what you were viewing porn before, just on a screen.
Yeah.
Now you get to see that shit.
Bro, this whole concept of this comfort zone is going to ruin the generation.
Absolutely.
I'm telling you.
Absolutely.
100%.
So are you glad that you were not born in this era? Like
No,
you're
bro,
not going to be
people-
born in the next
I
20
think
years?
humans evolve and adapt to all of it. I'm just saying it's gonna change. Like
But like
aliens,
now-
aliens don't have muscles.
Now I'll tell you
bro.
what.
Aliens don't have clothes.
Now you go out to the mall, or you ever go out for dinner or lunch, and you see a family. You always see the child on the phone.
iPad, bro.
Yeah, iPad.
Now they
phone,
carry
yeah.
iPads.
Or they have their own phones.
Yeah.
In our era, if we ever used a phone, we would get smacked.
What phone? When we were children, what phone?
Even
was
if
it?
you had to play Snake on Nokia,
Snake and all those
or whatever,
later-
we would
later
get
on.
smacked, bro.
Yeah.
But now it's like basically you don't have a conversation. You can't have a conversation. What do?
Yeah.
It's just glued to your screen. But it is what it is.
And just think about these social concepts also of like taking pictures of the food every time some plate comes on the table.
Boom, fuck up
Let
the
me
dish.
take a picture. Let
That's
me
what
take
I've
a
been
picture.
doing, bro. Anybody takes a picture, fuck
Yeah.
up the dish.
But it's just become normal.
Yeah.
Normalized.
Yeah.
This is what you do.
Oh, you're not taking a picture of the dish?
Evolution of the internet.
All right, 3.0.
3.0 अभी आ गया, bro.
3.0 EMG. That
So-
EMG shit scares me, bro.
Now voice is obviously big, right?
Yeah.
Like Alexa.
Voice search, voice assistant.
Voice assist is now the big thing. Like video and audio अभी हो गया. अभी smell कब आएगा? जब वो लोग smell recreate करेंगे ना bro, तो 5D मतलब भारी हो जाएगा.
देख वो अगर अभी ये EMG आया है, if they can fucking if a device, if I'm wearing a device,
Yeah, and it
it's
tells you
being
what you're
able to
typing and
track-
thinking.
It's being able to track the brain waves and my brain signals and my nerves. That what do I want to do? What does my brain want? Eventually, all these things are just going to be adapted, bro.
Yeah.
It's like that Black Mirror episode. Even that will come to a reality
Up.
where you wear that headgear and you start feeling that dopamine hit or that effect. You know.
So the next generation is fucked.
I'm saying just remove Black Mirror from the internet, bro.
No reality checks.
People are getting the wrong ideas, man.
No reality checks, bro.
That shit's crazy.
Again, our entire podcast has been just the negative side of.
Yeah. See, a lot of pros, bro. A lot of pros.
Let's discuss 1-2 pros.
See, I'll tell you a lot of pros, in fact. Number one is that it's very good for the environment. Let's go point by point, okay? Now, very good for the environment. If it's going to reduce carbon emissions, okay? Say, for example, all billionaires right now, what are they doing? They want to fuck off from planet Earth. Because they know planet Earth is ending. Mark Zuckerberg, the legend, wants to stay in planet Earth and reduce carbon emissions and save the environment by introducing the metaverse. Now, you can take that as sarcasm or reality from my end, however you want it. What's next, bro? What's next? Give me a pro.
Do you think pros तो मतलब क्या है ब्रो अभी एनिमेटेड होके तुम ऑफिस पे जाओगे ऑफिस में तुम्हारा अच्छा
एजुकेशन के लिए अच्छा है.
हाँ ठीक है मतलब यू हैव अ पर्सनल ट्रेनर टू डू एक्सरसाइज बेसिक ठीक है मतलब इतना क्या एजुकेशन व्हाट ऑगमेंटेड टीचर्स गोना
Now I can go and see how Saturn is and how Jupiter is. I can feel it. I can look around stars. I don't have to open my book.
Oh, then you don't have to open your imagination also.
Yes, exactly, bro. That's why, na. I'm saying now you're talking about the pros. Then another thing is time travel.
You stopped me. You're like, yo, we just discuss the pros now right now. Why are you bringing the cons?
Time travel, bro. Time travel. I think that's a good pro.
Time
you
travel.
know, if I want to go and live in the 50s, I can just put on my Oculus.
Yeah, but the 50s are imaginary 50s.
Yeah, imaginary only, na, bro. What is like, it at least it's taking me close to wherever it was, you know.
True.
There are a lot of pros. Another pro is that I think it's going to open a whole different economy. There's going to be a new economy. So, like, say, for example, if people are able to adapt to the metaverse right now, as of this day, you're going to make a lot of money, man.
Yeah.
You know, it's a fact.
Yeah.
If you know how you're going to make money on the metaverse now, say, for example, like there are already...
Early adopters.
I think there are two currencies right now in the metaverse. If I'm not mistaken, one is called Sand and the other one I'm not quite aware of. Yeah, Sand.
Wow.
There are two new currencies that are being formed in the metaverse. If you're able to like figure out a way to get into that early, so be it. If you still like traditional form of investing, because you know metaverse, the whole world will have to adapt to it. Invest in Microsoft, invest in Google, invest in Facebook invest in supporting companies that have to adapt to the metaverse.
Yeah.
You know, so like that, all in all, there are a lot of pros. And
No, of course there are a lot of pros. There are a lot of pros, but not enough.
you're not convinced yourself.
I'm not convinced to the fact that I think it's going to be just another social media thing. Jao thoda masti karo. The way he's putting it out, like you're going to live your life here. Tum office mein jaoge idhar, pajama mein baith ke udhar suit mein rahoge, meetings ye karoge, blackboard ye.
Correct.
Oh, matlab kya hai?
But I think for a matter of fact, like say for example, bro, like even you are in the retail space, okay? Now in the retail space also, say for example, if I want to go to the devotee store,
the retail is going to be the positive part because that makes sense. Like porn is going to make sense.
Yes. Like say for example, if I want to try on a pair of shoes, I put on my Oculus and I just try it on. I look down and I know how the shoe is looking. Like, oh damn, okay, crazy.
So the retail,
I place my order.
The retail part makes absolute sense. Like how the web has evolved from web 1.0, 2.0, 3.0. Retail is going to evolve from offline to online to virtual.
Yes.
Retail.
Yes, that makes sense.
V-line.
Yeah. Or like say for example, even going to concerts makes sense.
Absolutely.
If I can get the experience just putting on my headset and my headphones, I'm not going to die in the Astro World concert.
So now today, instead of going on the website and picking out a t-shirt or shoes or whatever, you're going to go in a store, you're going to walk in and
Correct.
you're going to...
Correct.
But then we have to see that, do we adapt? Like, remember I told you about this example about Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola launched a new flavor. They tested it across the country. They did many tests. They did test versus the old Coke versus the new Coke. New Coke versus the Pepsi. All the tests said that the new Coke is a superior product.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
When they launched it into the market, there was a fucking cry amongst the public that what have you done?
Correct.
We want the original Coke
Nostalgia.
back. So your public started doing it like, fuck this shit, we'll buy original Pepsi. Pepsi also became smart and they were like, original Pepsi will outsell original Coke. So then Coca-Cola is like, dude, if original Pepsi will eventually, the sales will go over the Coke. Regardless of that, our new Coke is also selling a lot. But it's a win for them.
So it's a problem.
Yeah, so it's a problem. So they have to shut it down.
Exactly. So it's
Shut it
basically how human beings
Coke
adapt.
classic now, you'll see.
But the way these fuckers are marketing it is like you have to adapt. You
Yeah,
have no
the way
option.
they are marketing is like, yeah, this is the future. Mark came out and said that, guys, I'm announcing the future.
Yes, this is it. Adapt or die.
Adapt or die.
And then you see fucking big brands that we can't live without already venturing into the metaverse.
They know now they have no option. They are in cahoots.
Correct. So there's pros are, see, right now we don't know, we've not used metaverse. We are also thinking from our imagination point of view, कि क्या होएगा metaverse? What is it going to be?
Yeah.
So on and so forth. But once we use it, I think we'll know better.
Absolutely.
But that being said, you can already start figuring out the cons.
But by nature, I think we all have become a little pessimistic when it comes to like internet and social media and all of that.
Yes.
It's time to limit it a little bit. It's time
The
to...
balls limit, bro.
Yeah.
I think all the screen time and
bro,
all people
so
who complain are, you can't live without
Instagram पे बोलते हैं कि you're putting your best life on Instagram. Bro, either virtual world में what best life you're putting you're another person.
Exactly. And bro, I don't understand the concept of reducing
You're hiding
screen
behind an avatar.
time. Yes. This reducing screen time bullshit, you can't right now. How are you going to reduce your screen time? If you're going to tell me to reduce my screen time, you better fucking have an alternative. Right? What are you telling me reduce your screen time, bro? I don't pick up my fucking phone call or
No,
I don't
that's not
reply
screen
to
time.
messages or
No, screen time is Instagram, Facebook, social media.
whatever it is.
YouTube.
Bro. Yeah, but how what is the alternative to that? What do you want me to do?
Go to the gym.
Go to the gym. You want me to be in the gym for 12 hours? Brother, you want me to kill myself in the gym.
Read a book.
Read a book, bro. Read it on my Kindle. Na. I'm going to go to Crossword shut down.
Of course, bro. What?
Crossword at Kemp's Corner, iconic 25 years plus. They shut that bitch down.
Bro, reading words.
You know what I'm saying? Tell me to read books, bro. How do I read books if they're shutting down Crossword?
Kindle, you said, no?
Huh? Yeah. So you're saying now that isn't that a screen, brother?
No, they have a little better screen, no?
Whatever.
Page.
Yeah, it's a screen.
It's a screen. It's a screen.
So yeah, bro. The screen time bullshit, no, I don't fuck.
Yeah. No, the screen time bullshit is with regards to the fact that you're just seeing everyone's best life. You're seeing all of that nonsense of everyone living their best life. Nobody putting out the insecurities. Nobody. Everyone's living a happy life except you. That's what you're seeing on the screen. So.
But on the alternative, why don't you promote mental health, or why don't you promote that get strong mentally? Don't let things affect you.
Yeah.
You can't tell me that avoid screen time when there's nothing else to do.
Absolutely. The
So-
solution is to become fortified out here.
Yes.
That nothing should affect you.
Then that is the right way. to
See,
go
things
about
affect everybody. Okay,
It's how
what
you
affects
take
you affects me
Yes,
also.
yes.
But it's just to work your mind.
Absolutely.
It's a mental workout you need to talk to yourself.
Absolutely.
To learn and adapt.
Yes. Because limiting your screen time and all is not going to do bullshit. It's going to actually it's going to make you crave the screen more.
Yeah.
Right.
So find a solution.
Right.
It doesn't
It's
affect
like putting
you
a
as
kid.
much.
It's like putting somebody off drugs. For some time they'll be off it.
No,
but
and
then
the
they
moment
want it.
and the moment you say, "Okay, Rahul, don't do this," Rahul will want to do it first.
Yeah.
Right. So
Yeah,
that's human
don't do it.
nature.
Yeah, exactly.
It's human
What
nature.
are you gonna do? Or, but bro, I just thought of something like China is gonna profit of this.
Bro, China? What are you talking about? China has already said no to kids to play
Amazing.
games.
Amazing.
They have limited internet time for...
Telling you, bro, China is gonna take over the world with all this shit.
Because China, when it comes to technology, is far ahead of America right now.
Way ahead.
Okay, now they're saying in military technology also they are going way ahead.
Way ahead.
I think Pentagon released... one guy released a statement
Bro,
from...
apparently they have like some 1,000 or 1,200 nuclear bombs already.
Oh, heavy.
So they are the nuclear power of the world.
Yeah. And for their kids, they are absolutely limiting screen time.
Amazing.
Not allowed. Guys,
I think
go and play.
I think this is the only time you can turn around and say that China is doing something right. You know,
Yeah.
because the metaverse is not going to.
Bro, that's a conversation.
No
Yeah.
metaverse in China.
But the internet and being on the screen, see, everything has its pros and its cons. And the con is that it does make you a little soft. You don't have to go and...
Little? Bro?
Yeah, it does make you soft, bro, because you have to go out and you have to not face the reality.
What are you saying?
Right?
What are you saying? Of course.
So, and when you face the reality, you learn, you adapt, you're like, okay, fuck, I have to evolve. I have to get better.
Yeah.
You know? And that little inspiration, motivation comes. But if I'm in my comfort zone, tomorrow's a new day, dekha jayega, you know? Like, that's the mood.
You're not going to be able to get out of your headset. You're going to live in that shit. But yeah, all in all, China's on the right path, at least with all this shit, while everyone's going to be soft.
Yeah, I agree.
And behave like pussies.
Yeah.
China's going to fucking develop a nation that's going to take over.
Yeah, because if the parents are not limiting it, the generation gets spoiled.
Yeah. Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
So as you said, bro, the metaverse is just an evolution. It's going to happen.
Correct.
Why?
It's
Because
a timeline, bro.
Yeah, today you and me are from another generation, bro. The new generation ain't listening to our opinions.
And the generation that's going to be
don't give
born,
a fuck.
Yeah. The generation was born into social media did not have to adapt into it. They were molded into it.
Molded.
You know? So the generation that's going to be born into metaverse are actually going to be born into the metaverse. You know, they won't know that shit. They're not going to be able to survive without the metaverse.
What are you talking about? Comfort zone. Ye to hai abhi zindagi.
Yeah.
You know?
We can still survive without social media.
Absolutely.
For some time.
Yeah,
you know?
absolutely.
Or even the metaverse, because we've seen what life was before social media, what life was before metaverse.
And just think about it, like when it comes to, like, what does all of this lead to? Like, the answer is only one thing: convenience, right?
Yes.
The main objective of technology and improvement and innovation of technology is convenience.
Very well said.
Right?
Very well said.
So, is too much convenience bad?
It's too much convenience bad? Absolutely, bro. Absolutely. Because this Mark Zuckerberg, I don't know what he's trying to do. He's like, doesn't want people to even pull out their phone from their pocket.
Yeah, bro.
And not even type. Okay?
Not even
I don't even want to do that, okay? I don't even want to pull out my phone. I don't even want to FaceTime. Okay, bro? I don't even want to use this much of my hand. I don't want to even use my fingers to type. Because then that's not going to happen in some time. Just going to be glasses. Yeah. So, too much convenience now, bro, makes a man paralyzed. You know, because you're not going to want to do anything.
I agree with that, bro. Yeah.
So, but then again, human beings are lazy.
Yeah.
The lesser you do, the better for you.
And if you remember from the Alien podcast we did, I told you about the story about how near a school in Zimbabwe, there was a UFO landing. And the aliens apparently communicated to the kids saying that technology is going to be the end all be all of the...
Yes. Which is true, bro.
Of all human beings
true.
And the civilization. So, too much of anything is obviously bad, and I think technology is getting a little too extra, bro. Too extra. Thoda karo yaar. Thoda bahar jao.
See, what is the joy of being a human being? It's to feel things. It's to look at things, you know. It's to feel emotion. It's heartbreak. It's happiness.
Bachpan se we've learned one thing, that it's not about the destination, it's about the journey.
Always.
And what does that tell you? What does it tell you? That the effort, like when you're talking about getting a girl also, it's it's always about the
effort,
chase, right? Why? Because it's like that hard work led to something.
Absolutely.
Right? The persistence led to something.
Absolutely. It's basically, it's a thought. It's how much did you do to get something, right?
Yeah. So, and if you get everything in your hand, you become a spoiled guy.
Yeah. Absolutely.
Right?
There is no destination, bro. It's just the journey that matters.
What's the destination?
Yeah. There is no destination with this. With this, I don't see it as a destination only, bro. What is the destination? It's death. Straight up, truth. What are you gonna do, bro? Paralyzed, bro. Khatam, bro. Man, you're gonna be in a fucking room, nasty room, truth. You're gonna be paralyzed.
So then, my next prediction is going to be, now chalo metaverse to ho gaya, one episode of Black Mirror is done. The next episode of Black Mirror which is going to come true is a consciousness, where after you die they can take your consciousness and put it in a avatar, you know.
Oh wow, fuck that, bro. I don't want that. I want to yo, bro. I'm just glad
I am a believer of rest in peace.
Yes.
R.I.P.
I'm just glad that where we are currently, we will not be able to witness all that. It'll be too late. You know, it'll be too late. God has been good to us.
God has been
Thank you, God. I don't want to be born into this era ever again. You know, not in this era where my mind is being used in a fucking mice.
Yeah.
You know, or a gorilla.
Yeah.
Fuck that.
Or a toy.
Yeah, bro. Oh, fuck. That was harder, bro.
Or a toy.
That was hard. That was on Miley
You'll be a
Cyrus.
teddy bear, bro.
That's crazy.
Your consciousness will be
Telling
a
you,
teddy
Black Mirror should be removed of the internet. People are getting the wrong ideas.
bear. Do you think Mark Zuckerberg is the most ambitious billionaire?
Not really.
Because he's coming out, he has the balls to say that I'm going to change the name of my company from Facebook to Meta, which is the most popular social media company right now and the richest social media company right now. We're going to change the name. We're working on Metaverse. Social media as a whole is going to evolve into the Metaverse in the next 5 years. We are going to be a Metaverse company and not a social media company anymore. So saying all of that, being ballsy and then trying to show you your own future, trying to show you your own future habits, trying to tell you that this is what you're going to do, buddy. This is how you're going to work. This is how you're going to live. This is how you're going to socialize. Are you excited?
Bro, number one is that I think that the concept of him changing the name from Facebook to Meta is way more than just introducing Metaverse. It's basically, again, like we mentioned in the start of the podcast, Facebook has had a rough couple of years. There's no way you can deny that.
True.
He's gone through a lot of fucking regulation bodies where they've accused him of stealing data and using the data against people, targeting them with ads, targeting them with fucking other things, whatever. How is he using the security software, whatever. So I think that's a very smart way of just quickly rebranding, making people forget about what happened in the past. Let's look at a brighter future. Let's look at the metaverse. That's number one, okay? Now, why I think that he's not the most ambitious billionaire is because he's an introvert. Introverts are not ambitious. Introverts are like, you just stick to one thing. Now,
No, in fact, introverts are extremely ambitious because I think they're just bullied so much that they're like, fuck it, you know what? I'm going to fucking prove it. I'm going to fucking show it to the world.
Yeah, but with a bad intention. Think about it. It's always a negative intention. Now, why I think Elon Musk is the most ambitious is because he's doing more than just one thing.
Yeah.
Not only does he want to send a human being to Mars, but he also wants to...
Not a human being. Human civilization.
The civilization to Mars, but he also wants to invent a system where you can go from New York to LA in 1 hour and also cure paralysis and also cure blindness.
So you're saying that on one side, we have Mark Zuckerberg, who is trying to reinvent your habits.
Yes.
Right? Reinvent your internet habits at least,
Yes.
How you work and how you chill and how you socialize.
Yeah.
But on the other side, there is Elon Musk, okay, who's saying that there are already so many problems in this world. I'm going to solve your problems with innovation.
Yes.
I'm going to use technology and innovation to solve your problems. Whereas Mark Zuckerberg is like, I'm going to give you more convenience, more technology, more innovation that you don't actually need.
And I'll tell you one thing again. I don't understand why people are flipping out with Metaverse. It is already happening. Go play Fortnite. It's just that Fortnite has not come out and said that we are doing this.
Yeah.
So Metaverse already exists, my guy. It's the Fortnite.
Sims, Fortnite.
What is all that? That is just there. It's just that, like
you
I
make
said,
your own avatar. Yeah.
It's just Mark Zuckerberg has just come
And you
out
socialize with the
and
avatar.
he's just renamed Facebook to Meta, which is a big thing, which nobody can avoid. And he just come and said that, okay, AR, VR, I am the leader now.
Yeah.
Because there's nothing else for me to look into or venture into. What are you going to do? Space travel done. E-commerce done. Battery cars done. Automated cars done. Hyperloop done. Pharma industry already fucking done. What are you going to do next, bro?
Okay, bro. I think right now, since the last 1.5 years, everyone is just talking about Elon Musk and Jeff Bezos.
वो तो उसकी थोड़ी गांड में जली है.
Bro, Mark Zuckerberg के बारे में कोई बात किया ही नहीं.
तो
मैं तो भूल गया.
भूल गए, bro.
We did 2-3 podcasts talking about Elon Musk and Jeff
Nobody
Bezos
is
and the
talking
war of the
about
billionaires
Mark
and all.
Zuckerberg.
And in that also we didn't include Marky Mark.
That's what I'm saying, bro. Never.
But Mark is a legend also, bro.
Mark is a legend, no doubt about that. Very ambitious.
अरे bro, WhatsApp खरीद लिया.
WhatsApp खरीद लिया, Instagram खरीद लिया, competition है ही नहीं कुछ. Buy out your competition.
So he's also a hardcore businessman, bro.
Hardcore businessman. Agreed. He's very ambitious. Don't get me wrong, but he's not the most ambitious.
Yeah.
Ambitious is somebody who will tweet something that
that we are going to take you to Mars.
Yeah, no, ambitious is being like if the World Health Organization comes out and says that I need $6 billion. to fucking cure world hunger, and then you go out and tweet, I will dilute my stock today, prove it to me. That is being ambitious.
That's legendary,
You know?
bro. That's legendary.
That's being ambitious.
That's legendary. That is inspirational,
Yes,
bro.
yes,
to
yes.
have that kind of tenacity.
Yes,
you
and being ambitious. See, there are two ways also to look at it. Today, why are people afraid of social media? Because you know what Facebook is doing to you. You know what Instagram is doing to you. You know you're being tracked. You know what Google is doing to you. You're being tracked. You know, being ambitious is making sure that you can still come on my platform.
It's all making you think in one direction.
Yes.
You know,
Yes.
guys, the whole world come together, and let's all think in this direction.
Yes, yes,
You know,
yes,
and anything else, right, wrong, we'll not show it to you.
Fuck it.
Algorithm.
Algorithm, bro. Man, chuda algorithm. AI. Firstly, nobody understands what is AI and all, bro. People are just scared of AI. I have no idea what AI is.
Yeah, we are scared of AI because of all this Black Mirror warnings and all of that.
Basically,
bro.
when your human mind depends too much on the AI, you're finished.
Yeah.
Right?
And I think when we depend too much on anything,
Yeah, you're done.
we're kind of finished,
Yes,
right?
yes, yes.
Now, today you don't remember phone number. Let me talk about myself. I don't remember phone numbers because I have saved on my cell
fair
phone.
enough, fair
I, if you tell me to do like quick math, no, I'm not going to be able to do it because I use a calculator.
Correct.
So things like that, right?
Correct. 80 plus 50?
130.
Yes. You're good, bro. You're good.
But you saw, I took a second, bro. I took a second.
Yeah.
80 plus 50 should be
It's convenience,
millisecond.
bro. Like you said, it's all about the
all about
convenience.
the convenience.
Why to think when I have a calculator?
Exactly.
You know? Why to type when I have the voice assistant? You know?
But it's good to know.
Yeah.
Bro, but you know who never gets the props?
Who?
You know who never ever gets the props? Electricity.
Oh.
We
The
all.
inventor of electricity. He should have fucking.
तू सुन मेरी बात, तू सोच जरा ब्रो. आप और इंटरनेट के लिए इतना बोलते हैं ब्रो, इंटरनेट हैज सेव्ड दिस एंड यू नो कोविड में इंटरनेट नहीं होता तो क्या होता, ये वो इंटरनेट भगवान है अपना, ये वो बिजनेस इंटरनेट की वजह से होता है, इंटरनेट की वजह से मार्केटिंग फ्री है, यू नो ओ सोशल मीडिया वी आर टुगेदर कम्युनिकेटिंग इंटरनेट, दुबई को फोन करो फ्री में इंटरनेट, यू नो व्हाट्सएप कॉल.
Electricity, the real baller.
But today without electricity the internet is
Dead. Correct.
bro, there
Power
is no
grids.
alternative.
Ooh.
Just think about
I think
it.
that is, if somebody figures out a damn solution or an alternative to electricity, you're the next in line.
Okay, so the solution to fuel was an electric car, right?
Battery.
And that took so much time.
Correct.
Also, this solution was known since 1950.
Correct. Batteries.
It's just that companies invested in
yes,
fuel.
Yes. And it was always about the power
The
of
fuel
the battery.
technology. They
Yes.
know they invested in fuel technology because
Yes.
that's what they thought is better.
Correct.
Right? So it's not like people didn't know that electricity can't run a car, right? But to the whole concept of electricity and the power grid and our lives being dependent on electricity in the sense of that you're putting your food in the fridge,
Yes.
brother.
Yes.
You know, you're sleeping with the AC.
Yes. Light, brother. Light. You can't
You're
see in the
studying
light.
under a light.
What are you going to use? Fire?
You're working on the computer. And today, your entire job, okay, would be irrelevant without internet.
Yeah. Without internet, I'm nothing.
Zero.
Yes. Absolutely.
Just think about
So
it.
it's all about the electricity.
Bro, कोई इलेक्ट्रिसिटी को थैंक यू नहीं बोलता.
Correct,
कोई
correct.
बोलता नहीं कि
Electricity-
इलेक्ट्रिसिटी के बिना मजा नहीं आता जिंदगी में.
इलेक्ट्रिसिटी और सोचना ब्रो तू 2000
Bro, we take it for granted.
तू 2000 के इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिल से तू लाखों कमा रहा है.
Electricity is like potato, bro.
Yes,
you
bro.
know?
Yes.
Okay, we just
Stop
take it
talking
for
like a
granted.
proper vegetarian now, bro. Okay.
We take it for granted, bro.
Stop talking
You know?
like a proper vegetarian. Hey, potato, shoot. Come, have some chicken. Potato.
No, potato is more universal, na, bro.
Yeah, bro.
Everyone loves it. So electricity is universal. Everyone uses it.
Electricity is key, bro. Electricity, yes. That's like a natural, it's like a resource that people
Yeah.
can't live without.
If tomorrow the power grid is gone,
It's over. Yeah, actually, that's a good solution.
you know what's
That's-
going to happen?
What's next?
You know what's going to happen?
Chaos.
Kids are going to come on the fucking garden
The
and
purge.
play.
The
you know?
purge.
No, but I'm saying kids are going to come down and play, bro. People are going to go out for walks and jogs more.
Bro, just think about it. Whenever lights go off in your house, everyone is just depressed.
Bro,
You know?
in buildings and societies, in fact, people come together, candle, they, you know, they have that
For the first hour, bro.
for the first hour.
And in the
Then
second
go to
hour,
sleep.
you start abusing people.
Then you go to sleep.
कि बहनचोद light-
गर्मी हो रही है,
BMC!
yeah.
BMC को बुलाओ. You know?
Yeah, bro. So,
But superb, I think the future is looking bright because of electricity, of course. And all in all, It's something that we can't avoid. It's the metaverse.
It's the metaverse, bro. Are you excited for the metaverse?
I don't have an option.
Let's talk about your usage and my usage.
See, I'm just excited in a way that okay, it's unavoidable. So how do we go about figuring out something that you can make it profitable for yourself?
Correct.
You know, adapt now.
Yeah.
Adapt now, like crypto. People adapted at the right time. Today they are millionaires. How are you going to adapt?
Crypto still makes a lot of sense.
Yes. Crypto all makes sense, but now
Decentralized currency. You have an option that okay, your money is not going to be in control of the government.
Correct.
So there was a lot of pros and their own cons, but still crypto has made a lot of logical sense that
Bro,
it was required.
I think what I'm most excited about is how is the whole real estate? What is the virtual real estate? How is that going to come about? How do you enter that quickly? How do you purchase virtual real estate quick? You know, it's just that's what I'm very excited about. Okay, अभी ले लो थोड़ा virtual real estate फिर बाद में देखो कितना होता है. I'm very excited about that.
I'm also just excited about understanding what's it gonna be. But if you ask me that, am I excited to be on the virtual world and add to my list of conveniences and my comforts?
Not at all.
Not at all, bro. In fact, I am seeking discomfort, bro. You know.
Yes.
I try to make better habits of waking up early and showering in cold water and all, bro. Because it's good for me, bro, and my skin, bro.
Correct.
You understand?
Now what's gonna happen? Now it's basically
And we are like we are inspired by David Goggins and the likes of those kind of people who tell you be hard, stay hard.
Stay hard, bro.
You know?
Callous your mind.
Yeah, callous your mind, bro. Exactly.
But in this now, it's
Ghanta callous your mind, bro.
It's unavoidable. Am I excited? Absolutely not. I'm just happy that I will not be born into the metaverse.
Yeah, that's true.
That's something that I'm excited for.
That's true.
And it's just that you adapt, bro. You move on. You know, like I said, bro. Instead of limiting screen time, you talk about strengthening your mind.
Yeah,
right?
exactly.
You talk about strengthening your mental health. So with all these things coming about where screen time is going to be unavoidable, it's how are you going to adapt to, how's your mind going to play a role in all of this?
Yeah,
how are you going to be happy without all of this?
Firstly, why did I say that the next generation is kind of fucked? Is because I thought about it, bro. Like growing up, there were times when I had nothing to do except just think. There were times where I would just look outside the window and imagine.
Yeah, I love that, bro.
Yo, I have not done that in a minute.
Yeah,
right? Bro, now if I'm at the airport, 3-4 hours,
watch a show, bro.
watch a show, play a game of chess.
Yeah.
What the fuck, bro? I ain't getting bored, bro. I'm going to be on my phone. The internet is there and it's free.
Correct. The
So, tell me one thing.
evolution of imagination.
Bro. What evolution of imagination?
You know?
The de-evolution of...
The death of imagination.
The death of imagination. It's the death of imagination. Because, you know what, Rahul? You don't have time to get bored.
Yeah.
Tell me, when was the last time you were bored? Just think about it. Waiting in line, doing all of those.
The death of boredom.
Yeah, the boredom is not there anymore because anytime you go to the doctor, waiting in line, or you go anywhere, straight your phone is out. You're not bored. You're watching something, AirPods, headphones.
Correct.
All the solutions are there. You can play a game. You're never bored. In a cab, not bored.
Yeah.
Travel, convenient.
Mind is always occupied.
Mind is always occupied. And definitely that's not the best thing, bro.
Yeah, bro. You need little boredom.
नवा कैसा कुछ सोचेगा तू?
You need little boredom.
Right?
Yeah.
To think something new, you have to stop watching and consuming
Correct.
something that someone else has created. If I want to create something new and original, I have to stop consuming something that someone else has created all the time.
Your imagination has to run wild.
Yeah.
You need to have a wild imagination. You need to think the impossible.
Yeah.
How are you going to think the impossible when you're always looking at different things?
And you're never bored.
Yeah, true. That's very true, bro.
Yeah. So the fact of the matter is that boredom has value.
Boredom has some value for sure.
Why? Because when you have nothing to do, maybe you ponder, you think, okay, how can I do this better? Maybe the way I spoke to that person that time was not as good. Or maybe I need to work on my particular skills.
Or you look at more traditional ways of entertaining yourself, like how people used to do in the back in the day.
Play sports.
Like when you're bored, go out for a walk.
Go out for a walk.
Go indulge yourself in something. Indulge yourself in
not
an
only
activity.
play sports.
Open a book.
but open a book or go
Yeah.
out, meet people,
Yeah,
talk
yeah,
to them,
talk,
make an
talk,
effort
yeah.
to meet your relatives,
Yeah.
And
so it's basically how you deal with boredom.
Yeah,
With traditional techniques or modern techniques.
exactly. And there was not a better way to deal with boredom than to strike a strong, good conversation. And bro, firstly, cell phones is the death of conversations because you're in a family function. You can't recreate that bond
Correct.
and energy,
Absolutely.
which you used to before. Like, you have one of two cousins or uncles or aunties where you know that you have this
Yes,
one connect.
yes,
you know?
yes, yes, yes,
But now
yes.
you don't make that effort because
Yes, you're on your
you don't
phone.
need to.
Yes,
Because
yes, yes.
when there was a time where you were like, might as well, have this conversation about something that we have in common.
Correct.
At
Correct.
least I'll have a fun half an hour talking to them.
Correct.
Now,
No chance.
kya far-
What's up? All good, yo? Yeah, what's up, bro? All done. Yeah.
Oh my god, your Instagram is already your online avatar, bro. I forgot about that.
Yeah. Now in Instagram you have your profile, na, but in Instagram you have a profile picture, in Facebook you have a profile picture, in this you will have an identity. In this you will have an actual identity, So it's crazy, bro. It's crazy. And with that,
GLE.
we fucking out.
Ciao, ciao.